Okay, so suppose that you want to know the common factors of 12 and 16, but you do not have grid paper or scissors to create the rectangles. Here is another way. Okay, so look at the chart that's on page number 6. All right, so if you look where it says worked example, it says one way to determine common factors is to use prime factorization. Start by writing each number as a product of its prime. So when it asks you to write it as a product of its prime, it's asking you to put it in prime factorization. All right, so let's say that we have the two numbers 56 and 42. Okay? We talked about 12 and 16, but we're going to take it up and we're going to create it with a little bit of a bigger number. All right, so we're going to do 56 and 42. Well, when I do the prime factorization of 56 and 42, this is what I'm going to get. I'm going to get 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Okay, and then for 42, I get 2 times 3 times 7. Now, you guys know how you can go back and check that, right? You can just multiply it out. And then that way you can see 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. All right, so let's look at this number right here. Okay, notice that they both right here have 2's. Okay, so we're going to put them both right here in this same column with 2's. Now 56 has 2 extra 2's. So we're going to continue to make our rows and we're going to have 2 and 2. And then 42 has a 3. Okay, so but 56 does not have a 3. So it's going to have a 3 here. But then together, they both have the number 7. So notice that they're in the same column here. So the way that you find the common factor, okay, is you look right here and you circle them like this. 2 is a common factor for both 56 and 42. And also 7 is a common factor for 56 and 42. To find the greatest common factor, what do you think you're going to do? Okay, you would multiply 2 times 7 to get the 14. Okay.